Come today is Saturday, oh, now Sunday stew, now they ready like this, so check on now. And it's a bulk cooking, like this now, after cooking it, and package it and put it in the fridge. And it can last us for 2 weeks. Oga, check on now, Moga, check on now, it go last for 2 weeks. See now, bush meat stew, now in this one. And like this, if you want to prepare bush meat stew, you go cook her with firewood, you understand, ba? That kind of thing to give you that local vibe. See now, see the bush meat thing now. You see, ba? Bush meat and fish, this elusive fish, local fish. You understand, ba? Check her out. Now firewood that they use. You understand? To make it real and make it real for that vibe, you understand, right? So this is what we're doing, and this is lasting us for like 2 weeks. It's a bulk cooking, you understand, ba? Check her. Check our Sunday stew now. You know that kind of vibe and that kind of happiness when you dey prepare bush meat stew and local fish. You understand, ba? And this kind of cooking, if you are using gas, you are wrong. If you really want to enjoy this kind of stew, use firewood or charcoal stove. That is when you get the real natural sweet taste. You understand? Those of you that understand the vibes, let me know in the comment section. And my husband said this weekend we are going for bush meat stew. And I normally prepare my stew as on Saturday evening as a guest on Sunday. And this is Saturday evening, and I am preparing this stew as a guest on Sunday. So tomorrow, just for me to boil white rice, and we are good to go. Check the oga of the house meat now. You see that one, ba? That big one. Now oga get her, the owner of the house. My odogu silence, and I dey run that one by himself. It's intentional. That is how I make him happy. You understand that kind of thing? Yes. If you are not doing that, you are wrong. Prepare special meat for your oga and for your dogu. You understand what I'm trying to say? You see this stew, the tomatoes cost me so much. Like, I got a whole lot of tomatoes for this stew, and now look at it, we are done with the stew, and that dirty black charcoal pot is not entering my kitchen. Obviously, I have to transfer to this other pot, to this other clean gas pot, so I can take it to the kitchen, because this one is for outside use. You understand what I'm trying to say? Look at the process now. Once it cools down, I'll pack in my container and I'll take to the freezer. And like this stew will literally take us for 2 whole weeks. Yes, except on the days we have visitors. If we have visitors, it won't. But if it's just those of us in the house, it will definitely take us. And this stew was amazing. Like, was everything. Like, it was everything. Okay, let me shock you guys. This evening we did plan for rice. Immediately my husband came, he saw that I prepared this stew. He requested for rice. He ended up having, look at the firewood we use now. We are done. I have to pour water on the firewood now. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, drop your comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.